Well, hi, I'm Dad. First, I just have one garlic clove that I minced, and I sliced up a small onion, a whole onion, and I sliced up my cabbage, and we're ready to go. All right, now add my cabbage, which is an excellent good source of vitamin C. A lot of people don't talk about cabbage and vitamin C, but yes, I always think of citrus fruits, and it's true, citrus fruits, yes. I'm going to turn my stove down a little bit, and at this point, add a little water. Okay, it's smoking. And so now I'm going to add my seasonings. So I'm going to use about almost a tablespoon of this Goya seasoning. This Emerald Original Essence. About maybe 2 teaspoons of it. And then my last seasoning I'm going to use is smoked hickory salt. About almost 2 teaspoons of it. And let's blend that all in. I know a lot of people like to use a lot of butter, I know, but they do use, I'm talking about a Titanic boat of butter. I only used a couple of, not even quite, about a tablespoon of margarine in this, and I always use the non-trans fat margarine. I'm gonna taste it, it's hot, the bowl is hot. That's good. Yes, ma'am, that is good. Pardon me. But for those who don't do salt, or you're cutting back on salt, and that is billions of people, you can use paprika, you can use turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, coriander, ginger, red cayenne pepper. Salt. These 2 seasonings, salt and sugar. Salt is an acquired taste. That means that we learn to want to eat with a lot of salt. And that's why when we have children, and I've worked with children working as a nutritionist, we try to not introduce them to foods that are high in salt or sugar, so that when they grow up, they don't have to unlearn, step back, roll back. They don't have to do that like we as adults do. That's our Cajun cabbage. It's got a little kick to it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And I appreciate you joining me. Please subscribe. And I'm Daz. I'm out, but I will see you next show.